is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So really exciting. I've been getting more car parts for my builds. We have car parts for the Lexus RCF. We have car parts for the S2000. No car parts for the Mitsubishi Lancer just yet, but we are pretty exciting. I'm super excited whenever I get new parts. So the purpose of this video is we do have a pretty huge box over here. Any guesses on what this is? So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's in here. Alright, so I pretty much cut open the packaging. Really good packaging. This actually came from overseas, came from Taiwan. Oh, so this is a little air freshener. Let's see. Seems like there's another air freshener in here. Hooking it up with the carbon style air fresheners. And let's go ahead and remove the actual part in this box. Alright, so we have the part over here. Pretty excited. Any guesses what this is? Let's go ahead and remove the packaging and unveil what we have here. And bam, here it is. So we do have a front lip, and if you look up close, this is a carbon fiber front lip. It's a very nice front lip. Any guesses on what car this is for? Well, if you guys click on the video, you guys probably already saw the title, but this is a carbon fiber front lip for my Lexus RCF. Okay, so one thing to note here, it is a carbon fiber overlaid front lip, and I say that because it's fiberglass, and you guys can also see from the underneath of it, it's fiberglass, but they laid carbon fiber on the top part, which is a visible part. All this part is still black, it's not carbon. That's going on the inside. Underneath is black as well, no one's going to see that. The main parts are going to be seen are all in carbon fiber. And here's the look underneath of the lip. So like I said, it's all black, it's not carbon. You guys can see the fiberglass. So yeah, well, good to know that I don't have to worry too much about scraping underneath. Full carbon lip, pretty excited. The carbon weave is not really nice. Haven't test fitted it yet. They'll be in a separate video when we install, but they do have all the holes pre-drilled, all these little tabs. So should be a pretty straightforward install. On the front, a bunch of tabs. Let's see, one right here on the side as well. Everything's been pre-drilled for you, so like I said, it's a pretty easy fit. And this is for the Lexus RCF. If you have a regular RC 350 or 200T, that might not fit because RCF bumper is a little bit different. Okay, and if you guys are wondering what front lip this is the G style front lip. Cost me slightly over $500 US. This I got from eBay. It's from a seller in Taiwan. I heard fitment's pretty good, and there's a lot of front lip options, but I really like this style of lip. It doesn't protrude out too much. I like that the sides go up a little bit. And to be honest, if you're looking for a front lip on an RCF, your options, the cheapest lips you can find probably range around like $300-400 bucks. If you want carbon, you're paying a little bit more. If you want a name brand lip, I've looked into like the Tom's lip and other name brand Novel lips. Those are gonna range around $1,000-1,500, so pretty expensive for front lip. This is my daily driver, so I'm gonna be expecting to be scraping on this thing sometimes. Hopefully don't break on me right away, but yeah, I just wanted to beauty up the aesthetic on my RCF. So right now, once I throw this on, I can officially say all my cars have carbon fiber front lips. So the S2000 has an aftermarket Voltex front bumper, comes with a full carbon fiber lip. And then my Mitsubishi Lancer show build well, right now it's not painted, but we have the various front bumper, also with a carbon fiber front lip. So these front lips are part of the bumper. Is two-piece bumper. And some people might think it's crazy to rock carbon lip for a daily driver, but I love the look. I love carbon, so what can we say? So hopefully you guys like this front lip. I've been meaning to do a front lip install on the RCF for quite a while. I just keep contemplating, and I really like this style of lip. Doesn't break the bank too much, so I decided to pull the trigger. And little spoiler alert, but we do have more carbon fiber goodies on the way for the Lexus RCF, so I'm really excited. We'll be having more pieces put together for the RCF. It's been a little while since I bought parts for that car. It's just been a little while since I bought car parts in general, I think. So S2000 also will be having some mods coming soon. I recently picked up a new radio setup for the S2000, which we'll talk about in a separate video. But we will be updating it with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, we're just going to be replacing the current head unit setup, so modernize the interior with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless, so it'll be really nice, but that'll be a separate video. I'm still waiting on some wire harnesses to be delivered, but that video will be coming soon as well. And RCF, there's just so many more plans for it. I'm just taking it step by step, little by little. Little life update, I did get let go from my job. I got laid off a few months back, right after I got back from my Asia vacation trip. So it's been a lot of, obviously, you know, job hunting. Finally landed a job a few months back. Same role, I'm still in insurance. So if anybody needs an insurance quote here in Texas, whether it's for your home, auto, business, or life insurance, let me know. I can do it. If you need your motorcycle insured, you need dog insurance, cat insurance, I can do that too. Boat insurance, I do it all. So just let me know if you need insurance here in Texas. But yeah, company downsizing, got laid off, but I am with a new insurance agency and I've been doing great. So yeah, that's why there was a little bit where I, you know, I was looking for a job, obviously, and I didn't really want to buy too much car parts. So little life update for you guys, if you guys care or not. But hope you guys liked the video, but stay tuned for the install of the front lip. It is currently raining outside, so I will not be installing it today, but in a future upload, hopefully in the next few installs, you'll see this carbon fiber front lip going on. If you like it, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.